What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making garlic butter shrimp. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need shrimp, garlic, butter, lemon, parsley, olive oil, salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and smoked paprika. We're going to start by mincing the entire head of garlic. Peel and devein your shrimp, but leave the tail on, then drizzle olive oil over your shrimp. Next, season the shrimp with salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and smoked paprika. In a skillet, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. After the butter melts, add the shrimp and cook for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. When your shrimp begin to turn pink, that's an indication that it's time to flip. Once your shrimp is cooked, remove them from the skillet. In the same skillet, add 1 stick of butter. Once the butter melts, add in the minced garlic. Add the juice of a half a lemon. Add the shrimp and toss them in the garlic butter. Garnish with parsley. And there you have it, garlic butter shrimp We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them in Memphis be cooking.